Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to boil a chicken. You need one whole chicken, chicken broth, salt and pepper, and carrots, onions, fresh herbs, which is optional. 1. Place the chicken in the large pot and pour enough chicken broth or water over the chicken to cover it. Season the liquid generously with salt and pepper. Make sure to start with cold or room temperature liquid. This helps chicken cook evenly from the outside in. Place the pot over medium-high heat and bring the liquid to a boil. As soon as the liquid starts to boil, immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot with tight-fitting lid and let it simmer gently. Simmer the chicken until an instant read thermometer inserted into the chickens or the thickest part of the breast registers 165 Fahrenheit, about 10 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, use tongs to transfer it to a cutting board. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes. This resting period helps the juices redistribute, making the chicken moist and flavorful. After resetting, use 2 forks to shred the chicken into large pieces or use your hands if you prefer smaller pieces. Bon appetit! Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.